to discipline, at the very least to admonish and to reprimand this group that feels itself so high above the law.
I want to talk about my child. What can be more important than a child? What? A plaque? A sum of money? What? There's nothing else.
There was a point they wanted to prove. Why did they have to take it out on my son?
We are therefore looking at 6 years of a new president, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who no longer has to accommodate anybody for political reasons. If I were the opposition, I would fall on my knees and pray for mercy.